Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. 6:08 p.m. Central Time on Tuesday, March 26, 2013. And I've got you over here on Yahoo News. I'm going to go ahead and read this to you really quick. This is a big story that is big for me at least. I want to show you guys why it matters so much. Now, first of all, the title, Scientists, Big Oklahoma Quake in 2011 was man-made. Researchers link largest quake yet to drilling waste injections. 2011 Oklahoma tremor was 5.6. Now, this is Washington Associated Press. A team of scientists have determined that a 5.6 magnitude quake in Oklahoma in 2011 was caused when oil drilling waste was injected deep underground. That makes it the most powerful quake to be blamed on deep injections of wastewater, although not everyone agrees. Oklahoma's state seismologists say the quake was natural. The November 6 earthquake near Prague, Oklahoma injured 2 people, damaged 14 houses, and was the strongest Midwestern quake in decades. The new report says there was a smaller quake at the site of an old injection well that triggered the larger tremor. Records show that the well pressure rising dramatically in 2006. The scientists say both combined to make a strong case that waste injections caused the quake. The report was released Tuesday by the journal Geology. Now let me take you back. Okay, I just put this on my blog. Here's the story that I just read to you. Now here's the video I put out the day of the earthquake. All right, and here's the post. We'll go over there. And I took screenshots of Google Earth showing that here's the 5.6 magnitude, and here are multiple injection well sites. Here's even a place called Oil Road. All right, so it's a huge operation. Here's Earthquake 3D at the time, showing the massive swarm that had occurred, the largest, of course, being the 5.6, followed by subsequent 4.0 and 3.0 earthquakes. Here are the stats, but here's a zoom in on one of the sites. Okay, so this really shows it. I mean, you can really see the storage tanks, the pumps, and even a few of the pipelines laid out there. So when I put this out, though, the controversy at the time was just insane. I mean, people really went off hard and said, oh, there's no connection to fracking. You're just focusing in on an area that's just chance. Well, we've come to see over and over again multiple earthquakes at all of these fracking locations, from Colorado and New Mexico, even west in California, and going east all the way up into Ohio and Pennsylvania. So we saw multiple earthquakes over the last 2 years at these locations. It took 2 years for vindication on this for me. When I put this out 2 years ago, caught total hell. People said it couldn't be done, it couldn't happen, no large earthquakes from fracking. Well, now here are the professionals saying. Sometimes vindication takes a long time to come, sometimes it never does. But when it does, it's important to remind people that, if we go back 2 years, okay, there was no talk on fracking at all. No one else in the entire planet is doing that right now, and I urge you guys to please start doing that. If you see smaller earthquakes occurring, to go look up these epicenters and see what's there.